Hello everyone and welcome in today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about how to print a random number using the random function. So as you see, we have imported two libraries. This is to use the random function, and this I will explain it when we code and get in more depth of this program. In order to print a random number, we use the rand function. To check this out, what we do is we make a for loop. The starting point is equal to 1 and the ending point is 2. So we increment it, we loop, and let's print out a random number. Like I said, in order to print out a random number, we need to use the random function. We do that by typing rand. When we run this program, what we do is we get 41. But no matter how much we try, we get 41 as the result. So, is there any way we can make it run a random number every time we run this program? Well, yes, there is. So, to explain better, what does this do is there is another function that helps us write a random number, like srand. Each time we input something here, like a totally random number, it gives us a new value, 473. Let's run again. 473. Wow. What we need to do so it gives us another value? We need to change the random number. 1387. It gives us always a random number. So no matter what you do, it always gives you a random number when you change the value of srand. But is there a way to simply let itself change it, like add something so it changes it itself? So that's why we have the ctime library. What we can use it for is the time function. What this means is basically runs itself, and every time we run the function, between the parameter it adds a argument which is a random number. We don't need to change it, but it changes itself. So when we run this, 5670, 5679, 5689, 5699. Wow, but these numbers are kind of big, aren't they? So for example, we want to make a program like a rolling dice. To make this possible, as you know, we can use math in C++. So if we take random and set the modulo of 6, every time we do this, we will get the remainder of the number 0 to the number 5. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you guys know a dice has 6 numbers from 1 to 6. So as you guys know, we can just add plus 1 and we will get a number from 1 to 6 every time we enter or when we run the program. We don't need to change nothing. We have set this program, and every time we run, it will just give us a random number between 1 and 6. So when we run this, 3. Let's run it again. 3. Let's run it again. 1. Let's run it again. 5. So perfect. Anyways, to sum up everything we learned how to print a random number step by step and what is the process of printing a single random number without the srand or the time function, and how does the random function work. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned